Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. If you've been following my LS swap in my 2003 Jeep TJ, we have been plagued with issues all along, including this video that I'm making right now. Is that if you are rebuilding your LS engine and you redid the head gaskets and you put coolant to it and all of a sudden it's leaking, I'm going to show you what I think happened to mine from the company that refreshed it. And you guys can decide for yourself if this is happening to you, if it has happened, and then you can rectify it yourself. So let's get started.
Now this is very important, and this is why I believe that the wrong head gaskets were used. You see that notch there? That notch is a sign that it's an early LS Vortec heads from early 90s or late 90s to early 2000s. Very short period those heads were used. And those need a special gasket, either composite gasket or a gasket designed for it. And this is what the company used to refresh it, was this gasket right here. And I'm a firm believer that's not the gasket that was supposed to have been used in this rebuild. Now this is a gasket that is designed for those heads. Now if you look in the center cylinders, you can see the blue indentation that will line up with the notch in the heads. This is very important for these style of heads, that you have the proper gasket to make sure that it does not leak once you're all done.
So in the end, this is what you have to watch out for. If you got the early, late 90s LS engine, you need the 54441. Just go to their website. They'll tell you a whole bunch of info.
So if you want to read this right here off their website, it talks about that in 2002 it went to a multi-layer steel gasket. However, this gasket does not work in the older engines because of the notch in the head, as it clearly shows in the picture there. And if you install the wrong gasket, it results in leaks, which is exactly what happened to me. Mine's an early 4.8, 99, 2007 with the notch. That's why I went with the 54441. And I hope this video helps you out, because last thing you want to do is go through all that trouble and put coolant to it and it starts pissing out the side of the heads. Once again, I'm going to show you the old gaskets here quickly. I totally don't believe that those were designed for that style of head. So I hope this video helps you out if you had an issue with your LS head gaskets leaking after you just finished refreshing your engine. So talk to you guys in the next video.